Hi all, welcome to my channel Manikanda Anishati. So today I am going to teach you a different cube that is called the mirror cube. This cube is very famous, yes. So it looks very good, very nice because once we shuffle we get a different type of pieces. This cube is almost like a 3 by 3. Once whoever knows how to solve a 3 by 3 they can solve it very easily. And if you don't know how to solve a 3 by 3, I have kept in my previous videos how to solve a 3 by 3, then you can learn that and then you can come to this. So let's see how we can solve this mirror cube. Yes, let's watch. Yes, now let's shuffle this cube first, then we will solve it. How to learn how to solve it. This cube is very interesting. See, if I shuffle it looks so beautiful, jumbled, completely jumbled. It looks so beautiful. Just look at the cube. If I shuffle this, it's looking like a puzzle, something like a puzzle. So many of them like this type of cube which is like a puzzle. So how to solve this now? So this cube is almost like a 3 by 3. So first I am going to select one center. I'll try to select the bigger center like this, and we'll be trying to match the edges with it. Yes, like this one edge is matched, and then one more, just check in the centers like this. Yeah, this one, which one? Yeah, this one is bigger, so try to move it up. Yes, it's matched here, and then there is one more here which can be matched by moving like this. So three centers are matched, and one more. Where is the center? Just check here. So this is the bigger center here, so this one should come here to this side in other direction. Yes, so we have made a plus with the center. Now we have to match with these centers. Each edge should match with the center, but none of them are matching. So what we should do here when none of them are matching means, so just try to match any one center with the edge by moving it like this. Yes, it's matched. So just check one more. Yeah, this is also matched, this is also matched, and this is also matched. Yes, luckily all the edges are got matched. Now this you keep it down like this. Now once this plus is done here, we have to fill these also other sides. So how to fix that? Now just I'm keeping this one which I've solved, I'm keeping it down. Now check the pieces, which piece the shape will be coming to which side. So this is the bigger one, so see the bigger space where it is. Yes, I can find the bigger space here, just above that. Now turn it up, set this, send it down. No, it's not the correct piece. Again up. Now again keep it in the same direction, in the same position, and check. Yes, this got matched exactly. Yes, this got exactly matched. Now check for other pieces where it will match. Yes, there is one more big piece, but this is not in this position. This should come here. Yes, so first send it up, keep it in some direction, and then send it back. No, it's not matching. Once again disturb it, again keep it above that where we have to do it here. So I'm keeping above where we have to bring it down. So up clockwise, match this here, send it down. No, it's not matched. So once again up, keep it above of it, up clockwise, send it down. Yes, see, this got matched here, this is matched, this is matched, only this is also matched. Only one thing should be matched, might be this piece will be coming here. So let's check it exactly above. Yes, now the bottom and third layer is done. Same like 3 by 3 we have completed. Now how to complete the second layer? This is also same like 3 by 3. We have to see the shapes here. So this center, this edge should match with one of the center. It's not matching. No, it's not matching exactly. Yes, this is also not matching. This is matching exactly. See this, it should match like this center. So now this piece, will it turn here it gets matched? No. So will it turns here to get match? Yes. So when it is coming to this side, we have to keep opposite to this like this, and then the same thing, left hand side, upper layer anti-clockwise, then send this part down, left one only, then again set the missing part here. Yes, that is done. Now, so this part which was above, it came here, matching. Now again check the other center, any other center is matching, check this one. Yes, this is matching with this part. Now this part, right, just check by turning. Yes, it will come this side. If it is coming this side, means keep it opposite to this, that is here. And then so this time it is on the left hand side, so right hand side in clockwise direction, upper layer clockwise, and then send this down. Now again this part got misplaced, so again fix it above of it. Yes, turn it and then send this down. So this part also is completed. Now check for other center. There is only two, these two has to be matched now. Not yet matched, not yet matched. Is it matched? No. Yes, here it is matched. So this piece will be coming to which side? Is it this side? Yes, this side will come, so we have to keep it opposite to this. Now it's on the left hand side, so right hand side up clockwise, upper layer clockwise direction, send this down. So this part got misplaced, so again set it. Yes, so there is just one thing we have to fix it here. So check for which one it will be coming here. This is got matched here exactly, so this piece will be coming to this side, so we have to keep it opposite to this, that is this side. Now this is on the right hand side and we have to do left hand side up, upper layer anti-clockwise, send this down. Now again this got misplaced, so set it properly. Yes, now bottom layer, third layer and second layer is done. So whatever the algorithms we have learned in 3x3, the same algorithms we apply here. So we don't have a plus, so for plus I already told you the algorithm. So that is R U turn right, R U dash, R dash, turn left, R dash. Now still we did not get a 7, so once again catch any side and again apply same thing. R U turn right, R U dash, R dash, turn left, R dash. Now we got a 7, but it should match with the center, so it's not matching with centers. So just turn it and check, but it is matching with centers, still not matching with centers. Only one thing is matching here, but this is not matching. So catch like this and apply the same formula, same algorithm. R U turn right, R U dash, R dash, turn left, R dash. Now we got a plus, so which two centers are matching we have to see. This is center is matching, this is not matching, this is matching, this is not matching. So opposites are matching. So opposites are matching means catch like this, apply the second algorithm, that is R U R dash U R U U R dash. Yes, now we got besides matching, this is matching and this is matching, so the remaining two are not matching. So the one which is matching, keep one to the right, one to the back of it like this, and apply the second algorithm only. R U R dash U R U U R dash and then U. Now check all centers are matching like this, all the centers are matching. Now we should go for the corners. So corners, this corner we have to check where it will come. So this corner is not come here, this corner is not here, this corner is not here, everything is wrong. So this corner is already set, so catch to the right hand side and apply the third algorithm, that is U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash L. Now check it. Now this is still set, but these are not correctly matched. So once again apply here only U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash L. Now this is already set, so this is the correct piece. This will fit here only, this piece will fit here, and this piece will fit here. So we have to go for the last algorithm, that is R I D I R D. So R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. So this is fixed here. Now move it to clockwise direction. Now R I D I R D, R dash D dash R D. So this is done. Again turn it into clockwise direction where it is not fixed. So R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. Yeah. So this is also done. Just turn it in the direction properly. Now we have solved the mirror cube in a proper way. Yes. Yes. Now you have seen how to solve a mirror cube. I hope everyone
understood that, and it's almost like a 3 by 3. There is no new algorithms, everything is same as you have seen now. The same algorithms what we have applied in 3 by 3. The only thing is difference is we don't have colors here. Everything is in the same color, but only by identifying the shapes we have to do it. Yes, that's a simple thing. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and keep supporting us. Bye. Thank you.